Here I have Nissan Ariya NISMO, and let me show you how to change the navigation instructions volume on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's use the settings icon right here at the top of the screen. Then from the following list, all you need to do is select the sound and tones. Let's just tap it. Now you've got options of 3 sections, and you should use the second one, volume and beeps. So let me tap volume and beeps, and now as you can see, you can use the following features, the following settings, and let's use the second one, which is guidance volume. So this controls the loudness of the navigation instructions. If you find the GPS voice too loud while you are listening to music, you can turn this down. Many drivers prefer this to be slightly higher than the music so they don't miss a turn. So in my case, let me
voice output.
You can hear it, as you can see.
Voice output.
You can decrease it or increase
Voice
it.
output.
And let me, for example, use it in the middle. It will be the best for me. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.